Hey, what's going on? We have a battle. Oh, wow, I like a good battle. Me, too. Hey, hi and hello. Welcome. We have a battle of Sephora versus Ulta from their Advent Calendars 2023. Which one is gonna win? What do you think? Comment below. Can you guess? The Sephora Advent Calendar, and we're going to scoot over a little bit here so I can pick this up. The Sephora Advent Calendar presented itself in a nice metal reusable box, and I hope I'm not blinding everybody. Fun and could easily reuse the box on its own for storage or for a gift. It has plenty of tiny boxes inside that have dates and fun little things on them so that you could reuse it for someone as an advent calendar, or you could make another type of countdown calendar. Exactly. You could make it for graduation or for a wedding or a countdown to Thanksgiving or whatever you're counting down to. So Sephora did well. This was their premium calendar. And then there is the Ulta calendar. Come here. No, let's not break everything. I don't think that's reusable. No, by the time you're done with this one, you've released all of your frustrations in trying to get these darn little nubby boxes open, and it looks, well, kind of like you've been attacked by a saber-toothed tiger. Yeah, it definitely has been through a battle. So Ulta, you can't reuse it. Unless you have a heck of a lot of Scotch tape. Now, granted, value is financial. Yes, it is. Value is also individual based on what the person does or does not like. So there are a little bit of two different ways of looking at this. Yes, there are. This is what we came up with. For Ulta, their cost was $60, which meant each day was $2.50. For Sephora, and that was their premium calendar, the cost was $85. So the cost or the value per day was $3.54. So if you want to look strictly at a per day cost, Ulta is less expensive than Sephora. We took a look at it based on what we liked from these two calendars, as well as reusability. So, price-wise for purchasing, Ulta got the point because they were only $60. Price-wise for the cost per day, Ulta also got a point because they were $2.50. For reusability, Sephora got the point because the box is reusable. For the number of days, they each got a point because they were each 24 days. For the value financial overall, Ulta had a $250 retail value and Sephora had a $167 value. So the point went to Ulta on that one. For our personal, what we liked best, we liked 16 out of 24 or 67% from Ulta and 18 out of 24, or 75%, for Sephora. So Sephora wins in that aspect for us. Ulta was all sample sizes, and some of them were rather itty-bitty. Whereas Sephora, they were 18 full-size products, although some of them were single-use, like a face mask. 18 full-size, 2 travel, and 4 accessories, like that lovely gua sha tool. So on that one, Sephora got the point because they were more than just sample sizes. Would I repurchase? Yeah, that's a good question. Ulta gets a maybe, and Sephora gets a yes at the premium level. So in scoring, Ulta had 4 points and Sephora had 5. So Sephora, for our needs, wins the battle. And if you're looking for the full review that I did on each of these calendars, you can find that on my playlist that is entitled Happy Holiday Season 2023. Thank you for watching today. We do appreciate it. Like, comment, subscribe, share, notification bell, you know, all that fun stuff. And we do hope to see you again soon. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.